Hello, travel friends! Let's take a tour of three most popular trails in Kings Canyon National Park. The first one is General Grant Loop, which is 0.7 miles, and one of my favorite exhibits there is the Fallen Monarch. It's a giant sequoia that's already fallen down, and you can walk through it, and you can see how mighty these trees are. But of course, the main celebrity of this trail is General Grant Sequoia, which is the second largest tree in the world. Here you can see it up close from one side where it has the fire scarf, and you can also see it from the other side. You can basically walk around it, but you cannot approach it. These sequoias are hundreds years old. General Grant is a couple thousand years old. It's an interesting trail because you can see several fallen trees, but also some historic exhibits, like this log cabin, which was used when it was still allowed to log these amazing trees. You can see many old-growth sequoias here. They are amazing. They really leave you in awe. Even a stump is a curiosity here. This is an easy paved trail, great for kids and for people with limited mobility. My second most favorite trail is Roaring River Falls Trail, which is 0.3 miles, also paved, and leads you to a fantastic waterfall. This waterfall doesn't dry up even in summer. My third most favorite trail is Zumbalt Meadow Trail. It's 1.5 miles, also easy trail even though it's not paved, but it's flat and pretty wide. It goes along South Fork Kings River to the Zumbalt Meadow. You will pass along the river most of the time and see all these amazing views. You can see several old sequoias here too. Here is the view of Zumwalt Meadow. Unfortunately, the trail through the meadow was closed. Never forget about water safety. These waters can be chilly and very swift. Thank you for coming on this trip with us. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below which trail you liked most. And don't forget to subscribe and ring a bell so that you don't miss any future content. Thanks!